Oppo unveiled the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro at an event in China and confirmed that both smartphones will get an international debut soon without getting into the specifics. Oppo has officially confirmed the global and Indian debut of the Find X8 series. The unveiling will take place on November 21st, Bali, Indonesia. Both phones boast high-resolution LTPO OLED displays. The Find X8 features a 6.59-inch flat display, while the Find X8 Pro upgrades to a 6.78-inch microcurved screen. Both offer adaptive refresh rates ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It is powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset, complemented by LPDDR5X 16GB RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage options. The operating system is Android 15 with Oppo's custom ColorOS 15 on top. The new ColorOS iteration promises a revamped user experience with new and improved AI features. As for the camera, the Find X8 has a triple 50MP rear setup. The Find X8 Pro ups the ante with a quad camera system, adding a 6x periscope telephoto lens. The Find X8 is equipped with a 5630 mAh battery, while the Find X8 Pro offers a slightly larger 5910 mAh capacity. Both support Oppo's 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.